Luxury Conditioner. Luxury Conditioner, pH 4.5 to 5.5. Moisturize and soften the hair while indulging yourself in an incredible, luxurious experience. After shampooing with the Enjoy shampoo formula of your choice, remove most of the water from the hair. Apply product. Luxury Conditioner closes the cuticle, locking in color while providing an extra level of moisture and conditioning to the hair shaft. Comb through, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse. For best results, comb product through the hair before rinsing. This product may be used for shaving and moisturizing the skin.